dead cells with your viable cells. It's like it's an old culture, if you take that. The age of inoculum is older, then you are going to prolong your lag phase, or your medium in which you have put your seed culture is not nutrient enough. So, it is going to remain in the lag phase for a longer period of time. So, if the medium contains more than one or more carbon sources, you will be observing multiple lag phases, and that is called as dioxic growth. Now, what happens in that? We did discuss about it. So, let's say if you're in the recombinant DNA technology, when we are talking about the, if you remember, for one of the examples, there were two plasmids that were added into the cell, into the bacterial cell. I don't remember exactly which example was that. If I think it was PET. So, when it was being grown in the using the cell, there were two different plasmids. Let's say there were two different plasmids. Now, one plasmid happily works or will make the modifications to the cell in such a way that it can use one carbon source. The second one requires a different carbon source, or there are two different carbon sources that are present in the cell. Forget about the plasmid for a moment. So, if there are two different carbon sources, which one will the cell choose first? I asked that question, right? C1 and C2. It will choose the one that it likes the most, because everybody wants to be in their own comfort zone. Cell also wants to be in its own comfort zone. So, it is going to choose the one which it likes the most. So, you will have a growth with a small lag. You will have the growth. Once it had completely consumed that particular carbon source, now